Welcome back to another crypto video. Thanks for jumping into another one. Let's give this video a smash those likes, hit that subscribe button. Let's get YouTube algorithm running a little bit for this channel. That'd be amazing if you could please do that. So we can look at Fantom today, ranked 26, still trading at a whopping $2.55, even though we're down 11.2%. Market cap of 6.4 billion. So we're not looking too bad if you zoom out. You can see on 24 hours we're down 11%, on the 2 weeks we're down 12%. And do jump into the Discord channel if you want to, that'd be amazing. And also massive thanks to our patrons here. So let's jump into the Fantom charts today, shall we? So we're looking pretty strong still. I mean, we've flipped a few levels back into resistance, as you can see. But we've just broke that key resistance level at $2.65. So really we're trading along this critical diagonal support zone. Do you see that? Right there, and that's what we really want to hold, because we've got a bit of a double top going on over here, and it's quite easy to roll over that, almost like a head and shoulders really. But I'm seeing more of a double top, and if we do fall below, if we do break this particular level at 267, we could easily come down to $2.03 over here in the daily time frame. We can see the RSI is just leveling off here at the moment, but we are scooping down little by little for Fantom. So that's what I'm keeping my eyes on. We've got a little bit of volume, not enough really, but really looking amazing. If you bought around here in December, you're still sitting pretty, and there's nothing really to worry about. I reckon, not financial advice guys, but $2 will be an absolutely amazing buy zone for Fantom. But I do anticipate that we might break this $2.52 support zone, coming down to $2.38, where we could potentially see that $2.03 price level. So don't rule that one out. It could definitely happen. But if we do get this reversal, we should be making our way back up to $2.68 and then through to $3.20. So looking super bullish for Fantom still, guys. If we go into that 4-hour time frame, again, we're just getting more information. We can see this big wick here showed us a lot of buying pressure at $2.50. So it does look good on that sense. And maybe we will come back up to the $2.65 low. I think that's more likely to happen than sort of breaking support and then retesting and coming down to those lower levels. I think we're more likely to see the big pump to the upside before, depending on how the rest of the market moves. Now, if we look at the 15-minute time frame, as you can see, it's just a bit of consolidation. We put through that higher low, which is quite important. But again, be very wary that we can easily come down and retest these lower levels. Still super bullish long term, guys. So I mean, $3.79 is my bull market target, and that's just the the pragmatic target. My bullish targets are much higher, $4.38 and beyond. I think we can easily get this into a $20 billion market cap. So you're talking like $7-8 Fantom, and I think that's very possible. So that's about it really with Fantom. Keep an eye on this support level here at $2.50, because if we lose that 250 zone, that's where we come down to 238. If we get a bounce up to 265. So if I was taking any trades now, I'd be going long, taking profits at 265. And if we were to break this support level, I would take a short here, or otherwise DCA and buy here and then ride the wave back up. That way you can allocate different weighting with your capital. You could put like 3% here, 3% here, bring your average cost down, and then you can ride the wave up much better. So if you enjoyed the video, do smash the subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.